Hey, it's Random Code here, and today I just wanted to make a quick video showcasing the concept of double click in JavaFX. And this is definitely the most simple way of implementing it, which doesn't handle all the edge cases, but it works fine, I think, for most use cases. So, we have a button. On a single click, it writes single. Double click, it writes double. But one thing to note is every time we click the button, the single click action is triggered. So even when we have a double click, as you can see, it first goes single and then into double. And it's very clear when we go from double to double again, it's going to go from double to single to double. So in a case where you are in like table view or something and you want to, instead of having a single click, go to double click directly, you need some kind of other setup that checks, is the button clicked? And then have some kind of interval checking, is there a second click coming? Or then trigger the first click handling. And just to look at the code, it's relatively simple. In our XML, just have a simple VBox with our text label and a button. Our button then have a on mouse clicked event. This button clicked on mouse clicked event, and simply have a check if our event to get button is mouse button primary. So in this case, it's just left click on the button. We can then simply count the amount of clicks. So event click count 1. In this case, we write single, or if we want to get click count is equal to 2, we write double. But just notice once again, this one is triggered twice for the double click. First, for the single click, it's part of the double click, and then the second click in the double click. I hope that makes sense. But that is how we relatively simply in JavaFX can handle double click. But just once again, it's very important to note that this case or this simple setup won't work for every setup if you can't handle having a single click trigger it before the double click is triggered. So I hope you enjoyed this very quick showcase of how we can do double click in JavaFX. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.